Hello everybody, so today I will talk about geometry. The topic today is about how to draw the line and how to calculate the distance between the point A to the plane SZ plane in here. So I will show you the technique how to answer this one. First, I choose one example that's about point A. Location is about number 2, 3, 5. So next one, we need to click on point in here. So I choose 3 points. That's the origin. This one and this one. Next, I go to plane through 3 points. So I choose this point in here, here, and here. Now the machine created the plane SZ in here. Next, we need to go to perpendicular line. We choose this one. We choose point A. We choose the plane. Later that, we just create perpendicular line between point A to the plane. Now, we need to find the intersection between the line and the plane. So I choose the point in here, and I need to find the location in here. Next, to find the distance between this point here to A, so I will go to sim segment, and I choose this point in here, go to this point in here, and I just calculate about the segment in here from E to A, or maybe A to E. The number 3 in here is about the distance between the point and the plane. That's the end. Thank you for watching.